something stupid. I'm gonna have to remove this.
What did you drop in there?
Socket. You may be wondering why there's a cappuccino in the background. I swear I didn't buy another car. I mean, I did, but I actually bought 2 cars. I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem. I don't think it's a problem. Y'all already saw the Daihatsu Kobe, but you haven't seen the other car that I bought from Japan actually a year ago. And it's finally in America, so stay tuned for next weekend while I reveal my new car. It's actually one of my dream cars. It doesn't feel real that I actually bought it. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. So no, the cappuccino isn't mine, even though it's really cute. I would love a cappuccino. So just like my Daihatsu Kopen, this is also a K car. I actually just washed it, so it's like perfect condition right now. Shiny tires. Let me know if y'all want some videos with a cappuccino, because I'll gladly make some. But I'm getting off track here. Today we're heading over to Ceramic Pro Houston to check on my Audi as well as my GTR R35. And some of y'all may know that my Audi has been off the streets for some time now. Like, I'm talking since I got back from Japan. Basically 3 months. And you may be wondering, what happened? Well, I was sitting at the Starbucks drive-thru until a lady decided to reverse in the drive-thru, and she reversed right into my car. It was a sad moment, and there was actually a lot more damage than I originally thought there was, hence why the Audi has been in the shop for so long. Since I had to order all the parts, I'm hoping that most of the parts have already come in by now, but we're gonna find out once we get to the shop. Now, another reason why the Audi is taking so long is because the car is wrapped, and I've had this car wrapped for quite some time now, and because over time the sun fades the color of the wrap, so you can't just change one section of the car because it won't match the rest of the car, which means I have to rewrap the entire thing. And while I've already been planning on rewrapping this car for a while now, I had to basically finalize my decision of what I planned on doing, because I had to order the wrap color as well as pick out exactly the final design on the car, because I'm not just gonna do a regular wrap, I'm gonna do a full new design. I said that so weird. We'll be taking the truck today because we have to carry the wrap rolls. They finally arrived here at the house, so I have to bring it over to the shop. I know I asked you guys if you wanted to see a house tour in like my dream garage video, but my house has been an absolute mess and it still looks like I just moved in. All right, let me out myself a little bit. This is my dining room table. It doesn't even have chairs. And all these bags you see right here, these are all Hot Wheels that I bought within the last 2 months. I think I have a problem. Maybe, yeah, I do. I swear I'll get you guys a house tour soon once I clean up a bit. Here is the new wrap. I decided to go with Miliotone, and one of the colors is actually the color that I originally wanted for my Audi, so I'm super excited for y'all to actually see the actual color of it. It looks so good, y'all don't even understand. Let's get these bad boys loaded into the truck. Now to head over to Ceramic Pro Houston. So I picked up a rotisserie chicken on the way. And fun fact, I decided to do a challenge with myself on how long can I last with only eating rotisserie chickens every single day. These taste really good. And then I thought, well, how long can I keep this going? And I found a forum board called Eating 40 Rotisserie Chickens for 40 Days. And I'm like, wait, nah, I got this. I can top this. So I decided to take this rotisserie chicken grind on a next level. I'm trying to get to day 60. And you know where I am right now? Day 21 of eating rotisserie chickens every single day. It's probably stupid, I'm not gonna lie. It's probably really bad for my health, but we're here for it. We've also arrived at Ceramic Pro Houston, so let's go inside. Can't wait to show them my rotisserie chicken.
Hi.
I brought chicken.
Hey, I should show you this video what they put in the store-bought rotisserie chickens.
It says no hormones and preservatives. All right, here they are, the Audi and the GTR, both looking a little rough. It's honestly so sad to see the cars in this state right now. Like, the GTR's already been in this state. If you've already watched my previous video on giving the update on the GTR, you can run through everything that's happened on it since I bought the car. As for the Audi, that's pretty sad. What's exactly wrong with the car right now?
Well, I think Annie shared online that she got backed into in a drive-thru. I think it was Starbucks. So what looked like a little damage in the grill actually pushed through the AC condenser, bent the intercooler, radiator, broke the fan. Here's a fun one. And the insurance guy tried to say this was, he didn't see the issue. They don't normally do that, so.
The bumper looks a little messed up.
Yeah, so the rear hitch went through here, basically pushed through, and it even bent this and broke the water pump as well on the built motor. We're also going through and prepping, making sure that there's no issues with the motor. We did find a little sign that the turbo might be going out.
No, wait. No! Oh no, that's the worst! I did have a big turbo on the car, and yes, the engine is built. I think we were supposed to be making how much power exactly again? 640, 630 with the old turbo.
Yeah.
What about the new turbo? I mean, are we putting a bigger turbo?
Someone just has to make a decision on that, so.
I think it's time to go EQT XL turbo. That'd be awesome. So like that'd be pushing around 700 wheel at that point. I love it. I love it. I love it. Faster the car, the better, really. Like the car is meant for the circuit track, and eventually we will start racing this in a professional circuit. That's the goal of this whole entire car build. This has already been a financial limbo. You know, I'm already in so deep, we might as well just go the full throttle. So we do have the grill messed up right here. This is exactly where he said the tow hitch went. It was a truck that ended up reversing into me, which is the crazy part because it did way more damage than you would expect. Like, how did the headlights crack, the fenders, and the hood? Yeah, it's a mess.
Broke the core support, broke the tabs off the headlights.
Yeah, and the latch was broken a bit. You can kind of tell it's cracked right over the seam. Oh, this car is a mess. Honestly, I was daily driving it for a hot minute, so it kind of sucks that I'm in the truck now, which is a lot more expensive on diesel. I really want this car back. It'd be really nice. We are gonna have to rewrap it because this bumper and the rest of the car just won't match if we just rewrap only a part of it. So we're gonna have to get a whole new bumper since the grille is attached to it. Yeah, I mean, this is a lot of work.
Now there's a whole new design.
There's a whole new design. The wrap that I finally brought in today, it's gonna look really cool. I'm really, really excited for this. I've been wanting to do this wrap design for so long now. Like, the fact that it's actually coming true, and so unexpectedly, may I add. It's kind of a dream come true. It just, the timing could have been a little better. Today we're gonna start getting this car unwrapped. And I'm kind of afraid to see what's underneath the wrap because I will say this car came white. I decided to go to a Mako paint job and get it painted red. So it doesn't exactly have the best paint job on it or the best quality paint. So I have a feeling that half of the paint is gonna come up. Not looking forward to that. Peeling this wrap off is gonna be something. We're gonna get the charge pipes removed. Whoa! You don't have to I like it. This is my first time using a snap-on impact. I used my first snap-on tool the last time when I was working on George's car, and it was like a wire crimper. They're amazing. How much did this cost? $400 or $500, that's it? That's actually not bad. Womp womp. I was working on this car actually, and it's way easier with the bumper off.
Do you remember, didn't you do your intercooler?
Yep.
Yeah, you remember how painful that was?
Yeah, but that's because I didn't want to take out my condenser. I did it around the condenser, I punctured a condenser while doing it, and I had to get a whole new one.
Other than when you took it on the road trip and you ripped off the two sensor.
That wasn't my fault. That was the trap's
Well,
fault. Nice. Cool. And now we have to get this car unwrapped. And we're in for a world of hurt, especially because I have long nails. I love this game. How many nails will Andy break today?